Everyone, it's me, Miss Branch, the art teacher, here with quarter 4, lesson 2. Now, we just finished watching a video on, uh, excuse me, Wasily Kandinsky, and he was an artist that liked to do abstract art. And one of his famous pictures he does has lots and lots of colorful circles. So we're going to make our own colorful circles similar to Wasily Kandinsky. So let me go ahead and switch my camera so we can get started. All right, so first things first, we're going to divide our paper up into 4 sections by folding it. So first I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to fold it in half this way. And the fold gives us 4 sections. So now we're going to have fun mixing up all of our colors to create many new colors and have fun doing it. All right, so let's see. I have my brush ready. I'm going to go ahead and start with my yellow. All right, so I'm just going to put a little circle of yellow. And then, you know what? I'm going to add that yellow with some blue. And I'm going to make a little circle in the next one. Now, you do not have to follow the way I'm doing it. I'm going to make that darker by switching it around and adding more blue to that green and make it a darker green. Ooh, more like turquoise. And I have this purple, this bluish green on my brush. So I'm going to get a little bit of water and I'm going to add that to the red and make an interesting purple. Let's see what happens. Well, yeah, that's a very dark purple. So, you know what? Well, I have this purple here. I'm going to add some more and add it to the white and make it an interesting color. And let me add it around my yellow. Cool. Now what can I do with this? See, I'm mixing the colors. Now I do have to clean these off at some point. Let's find out what happens. Now, if I add this, oh, I know, I'm gonna rinse my brush out and start all over again. Well, actually, I'm gonna start with this green that's here. I'm gonna mix it with this purplish white. Oh, I just ended up with a blue, but that's okay. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes you have more of one color than the other. And so now I painted a circle around that one. Oh, you know what? I'm going to clean this off. Add some water and get my cleaning cloth. Clean that off. I got to add a little bit more water. Feels a little bit blue. Well, you know what? I could take some of this white and mix it with the black and make an interesting gray. And paint my gray around that one. Well, let's see what happens if I take some of this gray and mix it with yellow. Interesting. You get to experiment as you go, but you definitely need to clean up each time if you're gonna switch your colors around. Ooh, let's see. Well, you know what? I'm gonna take that interesting greenish yellow, and I'm gonna bring some red. Bringing it to some red. I'm bringing some red back over. It's not red is darker than the yellow, so I might not see it. So now I made an interesting orange. I'll paint it around this one. You know what? I'm going to take this interesting orange and I'm going to add it to some white. And see what I get. Yeah, it looks almost brown. Interesting. Let's see. I'm going to clean up that white a little bit. I'm even add it to some brown. This is almost peach color. And let's see, I'm going to clean that up. This is a lot of fun. I'm just going to clean that up a little bit. And you know what? I'm going to just use the regular brown this time. Now, if you find that your paper is runny and shiny like mine, then you might be using a little too much water. So you might have to squeeze a little water out your brush. Ooh, let's see what happens when I add some red to this brown. Red. And the brown. I'm gonna bring the brown to the red. Let's see what happens there. All right, and oh, it's just a reddish brown. That's pretty cool. Ooh, take that reddish brown and add it to some blue. Let's see what happens. That's an interesting purplish color. I think I've seen a marker this color. Now I'm getting to the edge of my paper. So now I'm just going to keep going around, and then I may have to just go ahead and, ooh, that interesting purplish brown. Let's add some white to it. Let's add some more red, add some more brown. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's just a darker brown. I guess I added more brown at the end. Let's see what happens if I stir it up some more with this blue. What do we get? Yeah, interesting. Let me wash these off a little bit so I can start again with some more colors. I definitely have to clean up this yellow. And you know what? That's an interesting color. Let me go ahead and use it. Almost looks like mustard. Now I'm running out of space. It's like that. You know what? I'm just going to finish this square. And I can see where it's running because I had too much water. So I'm going to use my blotter to clean that I clean with and dry up some of that water. There we go. So this one is going to be done because I ran out of space, so I had to go to the edges where the square was. And let me finish cleaning off this yellow. You know what? I'm going to take that extra yellow and mix it over here with this white. And let's see what I get over here. Huh, interesting. Really, really cool. You get to experiment with color. I'm going to just go ahead and finish this square out. I ran out of space too. And let me go ahead and clean this off. Get a clean area on my cleaning cloth. And get another clean area and finish that yellow. And I'm going to go ahead and rinse out my bristles. I think I just want regular red this time. I'm not going to mix anything. You know what? I'm just going to use that red and finish this rectangle. And I think I'll just do this one with regular blue. That'll be cool. Oh, I could have used some black. I didn't use much black this time. But I will next time when I get to do this project again. So there we have concentric circles, which is circles in a circle, in a circle, in a circle, in a circle. They all have the same middle, but they get bigger and bigger and bigger. Like a ripple, like when you throw a rock in the water and it splashes and makes ripples. So now we have art similar to Vasily Kandinsky, where he made just color, played around with color, and made shapes. So there we have it. So everyone, let me go ahead and switch my pen. All right, everyone, I will see you in the next lesson. See you soon.